Judy Jackson, and today I'm talking about the next couple of videos which are coming up on my YouTube channel. I'm calling it a pair of shorts. Now it won't surprise you to know that this has nothing to do with clothing at all. Of course, it's about food. In the coming week, we will be celebrating Easter or Passover. And on both of these occasions, there is one thing that is sadly missing. They are times when we want to have our family around us. Either we want to go there or we want them to come here, but it's just not possible. So for me, what I like to do is I like to recreate the recipes that I used to make and try to make it as much as possible like it used to be. And funnily enough, I know that this is also happening in the 3 different cities where 3 of my sons live. They are also making these things and they do it year after year. So coming up next is coconut pyramids first. And this is in some way a link to the Jews leaving Egypt after the 10 plagues. Egypt, plagues, you've got it, coconut pyramids. The next one is almond balls and cinnamon balls. Now, all 3 of these recipes have something very good. They are dairy-free and gluten-free. So they will appeal to anybody who just fancies something sweet with their tea and coffee. I really hope you enjoy them. If you do, please share them with somebody else. And if you want to ask me anything, you can always find me on my website, The Armchair Kitchen. Thank you.